Kalimera from Crete. This is the #1 beachfront villa in all of Greece. And I'll show you why. Come on. South Crete in Kokinos Pyrgos, home to one of the largest sandy beaches on the island. Crystal clear water, protected sea turtle nesting grounds, not a crowd in sight. A location you simply can't replicate. And this villa, it sits directly on the sand. Let me show you inside. Vissalo, from the Greek word of pebble, smooth, calm, shaped by the sea, an award-winning property ready for you to make memories. And this is the view you wake up to every morning. Bohemian charm meets coastal design. Natural materials, every detail handpicked, just for you. A fully equipped designer kitchen, built for living, not just for show. Outdoor dining under the Cretan sky, a barbecue area for long evenings. Five minutes to local tavernas, fresh fish straight from the harbor, a village that still feels untouched. Two tourism awards, a proven track record as a high-demand rental. This villa doesn't just offer a lifestyle, it offers a return. This isn't just a villa. It is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity on the south coast of Crete. Villa Vissalo, beach villa of the year 2025, now available.